Hi everybody and Happy New Year. Greg Luczak with Luczak Real Estate and Coldwell Banker Residential Brokerage bringing you another fantastic home listing tour. The property I'm here in front of today is 5044 Old Fountain Boulevard. This is a great property located off Powers and Aero Plaza, so you're really easy access to the Powers corridor. You're located off a beautiful cul-de-sac here and you've got an amazing lot. Measures about 1/3 of an acre. You've got awesome RV parking and extra space in the back, air conditioning, fully fenced. You've got fantastic landscaping, a huge backyard, and again, a lot of extra space back there. Here in the front of the house, you've got a big carport. The inside of the house has some beautiful updating done and is loaded with potential for you to come in and put your own stamp on it. The interior measures about 1,700 plus square feet. You've also got an additional sunroom in there that measures about another 500 square feet. So tons of space inside. Beautiful property at 5044 Old Fountain Boulevard. Let's take a closer look. So we're going to start the tour of the interior of this home in this fantastic kitchen space. This is one of the best garage remodels I've seen. Done exquisitely well with a huge open kitchen now that you've got big wide open counter bar, beautiful stainless steel appliances, tons and tons of counter space, and you've also got this attached fantastic den area. You get great natural light in here and it's really nice and wide open. Just a really great space. Off the kitchen, you're into the sunroom. Again, the sunroom is nearly 500 square feet. It doesn't count towards the square footage of the house, but it gives you a great space with a ton of open light, ton of natural space there. Really nicely done. You've got 2 access points to the backyard from there as well. And again, that's a fantastic functional space that works great as a den, a sunroom, or of course like a secondary family room as well. Coming in here to the main level in the entry point, again, this is where the property originally would have had the kitchen and everything. Now you've just got a wide open great room. You come off the entrance, you feel the fantastic vaulted ceilings with the beautiful architectural beam that runs across. You've got a lot of natural light in that slider to the sunroom. You've got a fantastic formal living room as well as an attached dining room space. Really a wide open functional space that you can kind of do whatever you want with. The property's got double pane vinyl windows throughout the property, so that's really nicely done. That's something that you don't have to worry about taking in. Property's in fantastic shape as well. As you go up, you've got 2 bedrooms upstairs, really good space with the bedrooms and really good closet space in there as well, and you've got those same double pane vinyl windows. You've also got a full bathroom on the upper level. Like the rest of this house is really clean, really in fantastic shape, just waiting for you to kind of come in and put your finishing touches on. Great thing about this property is that you've got everything totally move-in ready and you can kind of come in with time and personalize the house and make it your own as you choose. As we go downstairs here, you've got another open family room downstairs. You've got the home's 3rd bedroom and you've got another full bathroom downstairs as well. So you've got 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, but a lot of functional open space with a huge kitchen, big formal living room, another den area, and then of course that family room downstairs as well. Thanks so much for taking the time to come on this tour. As with all my homes, this property does come with a 14-month home warranty transferable to the buyer upon closing. So you've got everything in really good shape down here. Everything looks great. It's really easy and definitely totally move-in ready, but you do have that 14-month home warranty that comes with it to give you some peace of mind as well. If you'd like more information on this property, please visit my website at www.makespringshome.com. Or if you'd like a personal tour of 5044 Old Fountain Boulevard, please give me a call at 719-271-8888. Thanks so much.